Hello, boys and girls. I hope you're having a great start to your week. This week in music, we're going to be studying 16th notes, how to clap and count 16th notes. This can look very overwhelming, but I want you to think of it as something very simple. Boys and girls, we are going to take our 4-beat measures and divide them into 4 parts. If you think to 16th notes are 1 beat that are divided into 4 parts. So we have 4 beats of this measure, beat 1, beat 2, beat 3, and beat 4. And then within that measure, we also are taking some of those notes and dividing them into 4 parts as well. So with this, let's start with number 1. I'm going to count for you. This is beat 1. 1. This is the start of beat 2. I'm going to try really hard to write nice stuff. E. I'm going to make a little E there. And. That's an and sign. And then a duh. A D for duh. We make that sound. So when we do when we clap it through, it would be 2 E and a. Okay, then we have beat 3 right here. Whoa, my writing is not the best with this. And then this would be 4. I hope you're guessing right. 4 E and duh. Now you're going to ask me, well, why do we do those silly little symbols and sounds for? That's just for a long time. That is just someone has made up an easier way to count 16th notes. And it's easy if we just make one, like a vowel or a consonant sound for it. So that is why we use those symbols. Okay, so the first measure should sound like this. 1, 2 E and a 3, 4 E and a. Okay, try that with me. Ready, go. 1, 2 E and a 3, 4 E and a. Okay, if you were to look at this, this would be 1 E and a 2, 3 and a 4. Now, if you're looking down here on example number 3, you see we start with 16th notes. 1 E and a 2 and. This would be 2 and right here. Whoa, my writing is not the greatest. 2 and. And remember our lesson from last week or the week before, we had triplets in there. So this would be, this is your beat 3, but we're going to count this as triplet. And then this one would be triplet. You can think of it as beat 3 and beat 4, but really I want you to say triplet, triplet, okay? So if we're counting, it would be 1 E and a 2 and triplet, triplet, okay? So let me clap it for you and count it for you. 1 E and a 2 and triplet, triplet. It's very complex and very difficult. So if you don't get this, don't worry about it. We're going to come back and we're going to be talking about this all week. So I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. See if you can kind of work through these measures on your own. If you struggle with them, ask an adult. They could probably help you with these things. If not, ask your remote teacher and then they will get a hold of me and I can help you with them. All right, thanks for listening. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.